What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that pay fast in 1 hour. Now, if that sounds good to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 websites that pay fast in 1 hour. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And guys, I want you to type where you're from, because when I'm doing research for money making online opportunities, I want to make sure your country is covered. So drop where you're from, where you reside at in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. All right, I don't want to take too much of your time on this video, so I'm going to get right to it. So please watch this video to the very end, because you need to know all 3 sites so you can use these sites to make money after money after money. So please watch this all the way to the very end. All right, let me go ahead and hop over here to my computer and show you the 3 sites that pay fast in 1 hour. Now let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first website. It's called getpaid2.com. And it says here, earn money every time you go online. Earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completed surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. And you get to join for free. And as it shows down here, you got surveys, get paid for your opinion, games, earned by playing games, quick points, quick tasks for easy points, and offer walls, complete online offers. Now, I know I've talked about a lot of survey apps before, but on this video, I'm going to talk about these apps that'll pay you real quick, pay you the next day. So that's why I'm going over these 3 apps. So how it works. So you do tasks, fill in surveys, watch videos, play games, and more. Earn points. 5,000 points equal $1. You can get that real quick and easy. And you get paid. Redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. And here are the fun games. You have Knife Smash, Sweet Shuffle, Solitaire, 10 by 10, 52 card pickup. So you got a lot of games you can play and earn points that way. Then you got high paying surveys. So you go to your surveys, Red Fire Network. So you got some surveys you can go to and earn points. And here are the offer walls. So you fill out these offer walls right here, complete these online tasks, and you get points that way. And lastly, you got quick points. So this is probably the watching the music videos, adverts, and trailers, and filling out captures. So you see here, you got Engage Me TV. That's a real popular site. And Ace Wall and Jungle. So you have a lot of popular ones on here that you can view videos and earn points that way. Now let's look at one more thing before we go to the next website. You can also refer friends. So I'm going to click on Refer Friends. Okay, it says here, what do our top earners all have in common? They let their friends do all the work, get paid to refer with get paid to. So you refer and get paid, invite your friends and tell them how easy it is to earn online. And here's the kicker. Get 15% commission on any points your friends earns for life. So for life, you get 15% any points your friend earn. And then you get paid, redeem your points for cash, cryptocurrency, or gift cards. So that's how the refer friends work. So if you're interested in this website, go to getpaid2.com. Now let me go to the next site. All right, I'm on the next site, number 2. And this site is called Creations Reward. So again, you can join for free. It says here, be rewarded for what you do online at Creations Reward. Earn free gift cards and cash. New members receive a $5 sign-up bonus. So as soon as you sign up with this website, you get $5 off the bat. And it also says here's how you can earn free cash gift cards for things you do online every day. Earning points, taking daily surveys, shop online, watch videos, explore websites, try offers, and much more. So basically, like the first site, that's what this site does. It does the surveys and online, shop online, videos, where you can watch videos and redeeming points. So just like the other website, you redeem points, and you can redeem points on here through your favorite stores such as Amazon.com and Walmart, or you can redeem your points for cash through PayPal. It's easy and fun. And again, they show right here some of the things you're going to be doing to earn money: paid surveys, watch videos. Already went over that. And here's the kicker for this website. Now, if you want to know if this website is legit, it says here, since the year 2000, we've been rewarding our members 18 years strong. And it's 2019. They're still going, so it's going to be 19 years strong. So this is a legit website, and they've been around for a while, paying out money to people that use this website. All right. Also, this website pays real fast the next day. So if you're interested in this website, go to creationsreward.net. Now let me go to the third and final website. Okay, I'm on the third and final site. It's called squishycash.com. That's a funny name, but it's a good site, and you're going to find out. Okay, it says here, total Squishy Cash members, 182,149. Total cash payments, $349,157.21. Site has been established since 2007. Now, here's another site that's been around for a long time. And as you can see, more than 10 years. So this is a reputable site. Okay, let's just see what it offers. It's easy to earn with Squishy Cash. Do offers. So membership is always 100% free. Get paid to fill out free offers, take surveys, play games, sign up for free sites, sign up for free trials, and earn cash back for online shopping. Refer friends. Now check this out, guys. This is a very, very good referral system. Earn passive income with our awesome referral system. Refer your friends and earn 25% of their cash offer earnings plus $1 per active referral. Now this one is even higher than the other site. This site, as far as they offer 25% of the cash offer earnings for everybody that you refer to this site. Plus they give you $1 for the active referral
member. So that's a real good referral system. And also says here, get paid. Payments, gift cards, and prizes are sent the very next day. So here's another website that pays real fast, pays you the very next day. And it's free. So no fees are applied when you get enough money to cash out. So earn even more when you participate in our daily and monthly contests. Your earnings will really start to add up. So they also have contests you can participate in and win even more money. Okay, these are some of the companies that they work with. So they work with PayPal, eBay, iTunes, Walmart, CVS, Visa, Bath and Body Works, Amazon, Starbucks, Best Buy, Target. So they work with a lot of big Fortune 500 companies. So let's just look at some payments right quick. Here's some payment proof, $366.67. And this person got $212.38. And this one has received $100, and this one received $20. And here are some of the testimonies from people that use this website. And here's one right here, Paula J. from Palestine, Texas. She says, "This is my first time on Squishy Cash. The offers approved fast, and the support is wonderful. I made $41.85 in 3 hours. So now I'm hooked. Squishy Cash is my favorite GPT site. They just paid me a week early too. What more can you ask for?" So this is a very, very happy member of this site. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So if you want to learn more about this site, just go to squishycash.com.
All right, now you know the 3 websites you can go to right now that will pay you fast within 1 hour. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start doing those tasks, and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please do me a favor and smash that like button, and let's get 20 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be noticeable on YouTube for more viewers to check out my videos. And then you know what that means, more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm way past 900. I don't know where I'm at now. I might be 960, 970. So I'm not that far away from getting to 1,000, because when I get to 1,000, I'm going to give away some free money to 3 people. So hit that like button and let's get 20 likes. Also, drop a comment down below, because what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward 3 people with the free money. So make sure you drop a comment down below. Also, these comments will help my video be seen on YouTube too. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help everybody I can all around the internet, all around the world, to start making money online and become their own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, I'm about to get out of here in this video, but before I leave, to all my subscribers, all my supporters, thank you for getting me to almost 1,000. I'm almost there. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching all my videos and supporting me everywhere. I really appreciate it. This has been a long journey to get to 1,000. I'm almost there, and I just want to say thank you. And also, before I leave, as I always say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.